Yahoo! Prof here with some Pokemon polls. Before that, I need a drink here, so I got our Canada Bold. Need something refreshing. Oh yeah, that's stuff right there. Alright, we have Amazon warehouse deal that we verified to be more than likely good. Mega Mewtwo Y collection. Only downside about this collection is you don't actually get a Mega Mewtwo Y. You get a Mewtwo, which is how it's supposed to be. I found that very odd. Why do you call it the Mega Mewtwo Y collection when you don't have a Mega Mewtwo in there? Yeah, so sculpted figure of that Pokemon, but then you get a foil card for Mewtwo, 4 booster packs, and an online code. So, already took pictures of this as I remembered. Remembering is good, guys. I lost my pen though. Sad face. TI2 design tech liner in stainless steel. My newest pen. I cannot find it anymore. I'm very, very sad about that. So here is. Oh, this is going to be a bent promo card. Here I'll show you why. All it was holding in is these 2 tabs right there. And then so what happens is it bends at those 2 points. This is a much older box. I don't know when this is from off the top of my head. But you can see she's bent. Bent a little that way too. You want to take? I'll show you guys that card once we get to the smaller tripod. Then we have the Mega Mewtwo Y. Reminds me of Boo from like one of the Baby Boo or Kid Boo from DBZ. Maybe I'm the only one, but so that reminds me of. Then we have a breakthrough pack, a second breakthrough pack. This is the online card, which lists this box as, Mega Mewtwo Y collection. That doesn't actually come with a Mega Mewtwo Y. One that I've never opened before, to my knowledge, Roaring Sky. We have Ancient Origins, and we have Roaring Skies. So, let's transition over to the small Gorillapod and get down to some pulls. So, let's take a look at this guy here. Here is the Mewtwo that you get in the Mega Mewtwo Y collection. It's pretty dope looking. Got my sleeve labeled up there. I do wish, though, that you actually got a Mega Mewtwo Y in here, because that's like the whole point of getting the collection named after the thing. Would like to point that out, at least generally speaking. So, we have 2 breakthrough packs, though. Ancient Origins, which I think I've opened 1 or 2 of those. And a Roaring Skies. I'm pretty sure I've never opened one of these. Please correct me if I'm wrong, though, because I've opened a lot of things and I have a shit memory. So, I'm probably wrong. Oh, no, I'm knocking coins on the ground before I sleeve them. Alright, first pack. This is just gonna tear. Breakthrough. I've opened quite a few of these because these are still available. These were, like back when Best Buy actually still had cards still available through Best Buy. And I got the online code. If you guys want any of the online codes, you're gonna have to hit me up over on Twitter, follow, send me a message. You're like, hey, so watched X video. I'd like X code or Y code or whatever. Got a big old stack. Heavy ball. I have definitely never had one of these before. Search check for Retreat or more Oh, so it's like trying to get like really not like heavy Pokemon, but like high ranking ones. Because like a retreat cost of 3 is like even that Mewtwo over there that you just saw is a retreat cost of 2. So you're looking for a fucking big hitter. We got a Swoobat, a Special Energy, Burning Energy, Ralts. I've not opened that many breakthroughs, guys, even though I have a bunch, and I've opened a couple, but a lot of these are new to me. Pansage, Hippopotas. Look at that! Look at the smoke coming out of that nose, man. He's like, Piplup. Doduo. That's actually pretty dope, Doduo. It's like a mail carrier Doduo. And he's running so fast, it's got like wind or petals coming off. That's pretty dope. You have a Vanillish Reverse Hollow, evolved from Vanillite. And a Staraptor, non-hollow, rare. And then no energy. See, this is why I don't know, like 3 or 4 cards. I just go 3. Oh, and I just straight up, without even trying, for this one. Straight open. Rip pack. We got a Hippopotas. 1, 2, 3. Flip her over. We got a Go-Goat. Kind of an action pose Go-Goat there. He's running on the highway. That's gotta not be good for his hooves. Pinsir. Judge. Hippopotas. Yeah, Cubone. Yeah, something's not right here. Because supposedly that Cubone is 1 foot 4 inches tall. There's a human. 1 foot 4 inches tall. Human. Oh, to me those look like tables. Why are people sitting on tables? Like, it would make sense for him if he's 1 foot 4 inches tall. But that table should be at waist height. Am I crazy? And like, I've seen tables like that. Elegium. Cerebral Pokemon. Elgium. Let me know. Pansage again. Piplup again. Chespin. Reverse Hollow. Obama Snow. Rare. Kind of striking on the pulls so far. Ooh. You got the big guy coming up here on Ancient Origins. That's the evolved form of the Pokemons I like. It's Pupitar, and then I like the one up from Pupitar before this one. I'm blanking on the name. Ancient Origins, here we come. Yeah, it's just gonna tear. I can feel it. A lot of these older packs like to just straight up tear. Okay. Online card. 1, 2, 3. Porygon 2. I think I've pulled myself one of those before. Energy Recycler. Oop. Level Ball. Wooper. Just chilling in the hot spring there. Magikarp. Inkay. Which that's almost like an Edo style if you look at like the ink coming off. Like a Yukio, is that the correct way to spell it? Like wood print, I believe it'd be called. It's like of that. Yeah, and they definitely went with different text, font. Oh no, it's the same as like this gen, but like, yeah, that's definitely like a woodblock print for sure. Of that like style. Unknown. I haven't had an unknown yet. Eevee. Look at that flurf on the front there. Then we have a. Remember how I said I didn't have an unknown yet? Well, I now have a reverse hollow unknown, followed by an Entei. Dude, Entei was a thing when I was towards the end of me getting cards. So that's kind of interesting to see. No energy again. So apparently on these older X and Y, you don't get no energy. Alright. I also have not, on these older X and Ys, managed to pull a double hollow. I don't think. The last couple videos. I think that's Rayquaza. Or that might be like Mega Rayquaza or something. Because he's got like these little like tendrils coming off of his thingamajig. And this one's just going to tear too. I think the Roaring Skies packs looked cool, like the art. A bit more old school with that font too. Like just older product design. Alright, online card. 1, 2, 3. We have a Silcoon. Oh, and here's the dude. There we go. Larvitar. That was the guy I was talking about. He is my man. And I got a reverse hollow there. Even though it's just a reverse hollow, that was a hype pull for me. Healing Scarf. I use this all the time when I'm playing Pokemon's online. Especially because there's Pokemon in one of the deck that they do more damage when you heal them. This is when you add an energy card, so I just keep A, they're damaged, you can heal them. B, when you heal them, they do more damage. And then, you know, if you need more energies or whatever, it's a nice setup. Probably pretty or very simplistic one. I imagine, you know, anybody good at playing the game is just going to get right around that. Oh, I can see a little bit of something in there. Can you guys see that edge? Yeah, if you can see the edge of that card there. There's something in this one. We might have a pull on our hands here. Gliscor? Glilgar. Yeah, it's like the one scorpion bat Pokemon. The other one is. I didn't know there was an old form of him. Oh, Execute. Getting beat up by it's a Fearow? No, Spearow. Or Execute. Tailo. Electrike. That's a pretty badass. Bagon. Dragon. I don't see many dragon types. Nincada. A different. Oh, you just pulled a Tropius from a different pack. I didn't know that was such a common Pokemon. We have a uncommon reverse hollow Tropius, followed by. Ooh! That is a spicy pull on the last pack. Dual hollow, followed by a Latios EX. Looking pretty badass, if you ask me. Dragon type. It's a nice pull. Come on. Open up. Alright, well, let's grab our hollows and see what we managed to pull here. Alright, we've of course got the promo Mewtwo card that came in this Mega Mewtwo Y box. I really wish there was a Mega Mewtwo Y card. Vanillish reverse hollow. Chespin reverse hollow. Unknown. I was surprised to pull that one. Reverse hollow. Tropius, like tropical, Tropius. It's like a palm tree Pokemon. Reverse hollow, followed by the pull of this pack, the Latios EX, right there. That for sure is the pull. Well, guys, let me know. Do you think that was worth it, especially as an Amazon warehouse deal? I don't know how old that box is. It's me knocking over a bunch of garbage. Looks like a 2015. And most of this is older than most of the cards now, unless you buy it from a third party who's held on to them or something. You're looking at 2017, roughly, and newer. Those are like, I don't know if they're technically in print, but they're in stock. So these are definitely older than what you could easily get now. So I think it was a good find, and it's a nice pull, I think, in there. I just really wish there was a Mega Mewtwo Y card that came with it, because like most of the, at least the newer boxes I've picked up, you get the card that's named on the box. Sorry if you vommed a bit there. My apologies. I really need to find a clamp or a better way to, to get this at the exact height rather than this little tiny tripod that is, with the weight of this camera, is very top heavy. Here you go. Like, that's just 1 or 2 degrees past. So, comment down below what you thought. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to see future stuff. That was actually the last one from this Amazon Warehouse Poke Haul. So check out the next video, which is another one, and we can take a look at what we got there. I think these are, quite interesting to see, if I can actually get what it says I'm getting, or if somebody repacked it. And if I do get it, some of these are older, like this one, because these are kind of hard to get. It's kind of interesting what I managed to pull. See you then. Have a good one.